Okay, in this video, I'm going to demonstrate, how to use variables on the Legitt AI platform. So let's say that I have opened a template or a document on my editor, and then I want to update the values on the variables. So very first, most simple thing that anything that is highlighted in yellow within square brackets is a variable. So let's say I want to update the start date. I'll click on the variable, and it will, since it is date, it already picked it up. I'll simply say, okay, make it like fourth. Okay. Not only that, when I'm updating the variable, I will have an option to update all the instances of this variable, or so that in one go I am able to update all the values of the same variable within the document. But for now, I will not use it. Let's go with here. Then second thing is that most of the people prefer this way, that they get a chance to read through the document and then update the values. But in our case, let's say I let me first save this document as well, uh, and then I'll show there are a lot of other parameters that will come on here. So but then there is another way of updating the variables. Click on the second icon that says variables. It will basically list you all the variables that are there in the document. So let's say I want client company name to be, say, legit uh, legit AI, and if you type it out, it will automatically update the values over this place. And similarly, the address, let's say 1007 North Orange Street. Okay, so it will update the address here. So that is how there are two ways that you can update a variable. But let's say sometimes what happens is that I want to create a variable, at the runtime, maybe for future use or while creating the template itself. So let's say I want to change here. I want that client's representative's name has to be here. So what I will do to create a variable, all I need to do is this start with the square bracket. So I click on the square bracket over here, and then I said, okay, representative name. Let's say that I put name, and then I close the square bracket. Of course, I'll push a space over here so that the values can be spaced out. Now this has created a new variable that I can edit right here on the platform, or I can edit from here also. But that is not the usualized case. Instead of creating a variable, we probably would be thinking that I can directly type in the name. So what happens is that sometimes we do not know that value of variable names, and this is the information that our clients have to provide. So what we do is that we go to the I button over here, and then check this box that allows signatories to update variables. So what will happen is that this will allow us to assign the variables to the signatories. So now when I go on this tab over here, I will see this assign button. So when I click on this assign button, it will ask me that which variable I want to to whom I want to assign the variable, and which variable I want to assign. So I can assign this representative name here. I'll say assign. Okay, simple. So what will happen is this will change the color of the variable with the same color as signatory, and then when you send the document for signature, he will be asked to update this variable before signing, so that data comes in. And this is very useful when we do not know certain information, and then we want other party to save it. So that's pretty much about how we add variable, update variable via document or via the variable tab, and how we can create variable, and if required, how we can assign the variables to other parties. I hope this helps. If not, just let me know. I would be able to detail it out further. Thank you.